Welcome back to my channel. People, we're not very happy today. Yeah, I found the other day this thing upset me, you know. I mean, I go bother if it discuss it, we don't know. But it just arrived me. I may have to get it off of my chest. Yes, you know, when things start to bother you, you have to clear it off of your chest. Yeah. So me come to talk about this thing, you know. So what day, yeah, me I watched the lady down at the mountain by the view. And she come out and she fling her stone and a cuss and a go on, yeah. And I mean she attack, you know. You know, say I mean she attack because she say foreign woman. People are foreign woman. Then we thought then time in a foreign, yeah. And then we thought then time in a foreign greyback serpent and reptile and peasants and all kind of things she say, you know. Yeah, me couldn't believe it. Because you know, say, me like this lady, you know, I'm in that chair for her. But when me hear she come out and cuss me with her, no sir, when me think back, me thought, you know, say true, me put out my business the other day and say, me a bake and me a go in the cake war. Me this say me not trouble her down at Jamaica because, you know, me not trouble people at Jamaica. You know, she a do her business and me say she a do well, but me not trouble her. But me see, she come up on me. It look like say, she don't like the competition because the people then come over here and say, oh, my business don't work. And them say, oh, fireman, your business turn up, man, it turn up because me have, you know, me say me sweat me food them in a barrel, yeah. And the people they say, a lot of people, I bucket them soak for them something in that, so you soak in a barrel for your business turn up. And me this show at the restaurant and the wine, you know, we sell wines and, you know, online business too, yeah. And so me no wonder if I that, yes, that's why all of a sudden she come out and flings to one after me. Yeah, no, me not like that at all because there was no need for that. Yes, there was no need for that at all. So I was very upset, very disappointed too. You know, support my business, foreign woman, cakes become here. So you please go and support my business. We sell the best cakes over here. Yeah, so wanna go and buy things and I won't be disappointed. You can get wines online and you can also book it to your restaurant as well. We got a lovely restaurant as well. You see everything when you go online. Yeah. So I wasn't very happy with that at all because I thought there was no need for that. Yeah, there was no need at all for that. That behavior was not right. Yes. And she doing some kind of yellow bus drive out. Yeah, so a yellow bus drive here do, yeah. We have lorries, yes. We have lorries over here and we got you know, let me say on a little bit a snapshot type with this one, but since them I show off me I go show off too. We have lorries and we got bus as well. So we can do lorry drive too. Yeah, we can do lorry drive because our lorries pick up you know, deliver all our things them. Yeah. So we are do well over here, you know. I mean, no too particular. Me I look out for them today because I know say she send them over here. She send our people them over here, and them come at a be sarcastic and mock and a Jeremy. Yeah, and I say I kind of man have evil thing for buy 6 get 6 free and all kind of something. This individual I say. So and one of the one was always a talk about the pallet them. So if they come over here today, I'm gonna block them because me not standing for that nonsense because you know say where them a come from here. So and that me come for share we don't know say yeah she go on bad, yeah she a go on bad because she know say yeah I think she find out that my cakes are better than hers, you know. Yeah, my cakes are better than hers and my business. Two people then say my business turn up. I don't think she like that. No. And she must have watch over here. So I hear people that must say, oh, your business turn up. Foreign woman, your business turn up. I have things in foreign He both waste time out of foreign. I don't waste my time in foreign, lady. You don't know me. I have a lot of things in foreign. Here, I don't even want to show it. This is only a little snippet me show. I don't show my things them on social media, but to you come out for me now, me thought so me have to come out and show off a little bit, yes. So if we want to do lorry drives, yes, we can do charity lorry drives if we want to, but we don't choose to do so. Okay? So I just that me the come for share with you know, for share with you know, so say, and me, she not talk about the other day, yes. And me know say and me, because she's directly say foreign, yeah, woman, them grey back woman. Yeah, foreign woman, grey back woman. So me know say, and me, yeah, I me never like it. Yes, me never like it. And me feel say, a true. She see me success in her phone now. She a fling big stone after me. No, me not having none of that. None of that at all. Yes, that is purpose, man. Yeah, as Jamaican people they will say a purpose that man. Like I say spiteful a purpose. Anyway, me don't talk now, so me feel better now. Me get that off of my chest because it was bothering me from the other day. Me thinking how on earth a serpent I think she said though. Well, if I something me can't remember it good. But me just come for address it. Okay, don't talk and me gone.